Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Jabar Khan Authoi and welcome to this in-depth explanation of data structures and algorithm. Today I am going to show you about stacks. It's about stacks. It's a fundamental data structure, plays a pivotal role in computing and problem solving. So let's jump onto it. First of all, there are many types of data structures. There is a baby step data structures chart. There are two types, primitive and non-primitive. In non-primitive, there are some built-in like list, tuple, set, dictionary, and some user-defined linked list, set, linked list, stack, queue, graph, hash map, and many things like double linked list and etc. etc. So we are gonna specifically talk about stack. What is a stack? First we have to understand. A stack is like a stack of books, like you can see. When you put a book on the top of the stack, it will on the first place, and when you take out a book, you will take out the book on the top. Let's understand with the animation. Okay. First, enter a value, like we'll insert 10. Push on the top is 10. Then 20. Push 20. 30. Push. Then on the top I am. Authoi. Push. Now Authoi is on the top. If we pick, the top element is Authoi. We will get Authoi. How will get? By popping out. It will remove Authoi from the data and you will get it like this. Another visualization is like I'll add 10, push, yes, A. Look at this, 10, then 20, yeah, 20, 50, 50, 1000, like some names, John, Do, Avro. Now on the sixth element, you know, in Python element is start from 0. The sixth element, or technically seventh, the element is over. How can you get that? Pop. It is popped value over. Pop. Do. Popped value. John. Popped value 1000. You can skip back and we can clear the stack. That was the fundamental logic of a stack. Now in code. First I've made a stack named class, because making a class will make everything easier. You can import in whenever you want, wherever you want. First I've imported stack, then initialized self items, self.items equal to an empty array. Stack in Python it's called list. A stack technically an list. Then another function we defined push self and item, self.items.append item. It will append the item in the array at the last. Then pop self.items.pop and return this. Why we return? Because it returns a value. That value will be returned by the function. So whenever we call pop, it will give us a value. Then def.isEmpty. is empty, it will return true or false, either true either false. Now s equal to stack, then let's see. First we have to put we have now print s equal to stack, then we have called it as dot push 1 and 2 and 3, so the top bill will be 3. Now I know why it's like why it's printing this because s is not the direct list. The direct list is s dot items. We have to keep it in mind, items. So output will be 1, 2 or 3. Yes, 1, 2 and 3. If you push another one, this, and now if we pop out, so like it's the element of position 0, 1, 2, 3. Now it's 4. Fourth element equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, or third element equal to s dot pop, and we don't want to keep the third element. Now print third element and also print the s dot items. Let's see what does it put in, what does it print, what do it print. It shall print 6 and it should print 1, 2, 3. Let's check it out. Yes, 1, 2, 3 and 6. That was the basics of stack. I hope you enjoyed. Assalamu alaikum.